Welcome to this short video on how to use proximity searching to improve your search results. It is an advanced technique which I would encourage final year undergraduates or postgraduate students to try. Proximity searching is an advanced technique which can be used to improve your search results. There are two ways of using proximity searching. The first is the near operator and the second is the within operator. The near operator, N, can be used to find terms that are near to each other in the title or the abstract of a journal article. If you enter N4, you will find words that are a maximum of 4 words apart, regardless of which order they appear in the text. For example, if you enter health N4 well-being, this would retrieve the sentence health and mental well-being. It would also retrieve mental well-being is associated with good health. That is because there are 4 words or less in between each of the keywords that you have searched for, i.e. health and well-being. The within operator, W, can also be used to find words that are within a certain number of each other. But with W, they always appear in the title or the abstract in the order that you specify. So W6 will find words that are within 6 words of each other in the order that you entered them. So for example, health W5 well-being would find the following words. Good physical health is linked to mental well-being, but it would not find adolescents' mental well-being is linked to their physical health, and that's because it only finds them in the title or the abstract in the order that you entered them, and you entered health W5 well-being and not well-being W5 health. So let us then have a go at this in CINAHL, and we can compare the results. Once you're in CINAHL, you need to choose the advanced search option. Okay, so here is the search box for CINAHL. And CINAHL allows you to search the title and the abstract, but in order to do that you need to make sure that in this drop down menu title is selected, and in the next one abstract is selected, and then change the drop down here, what is known as the Boolean operator, to all, because we want to search the title or the abstract. Let's compare what happens if we just put a keyword search for social inclusion. If we use the inverted commas symbol, it tells the database to search the title and the abstract for the exact phrase social inclusion. Under the search history, you can now see what you've done, and you can see that it has brought up 1,507 results. So that's quite a narrow number because it's looking for that exact phrase in the title or the abstract. If we remove the inverted commas, or also known as speech marks, and we type in the middle the near operator N3, it will now search in the title and the abstract for social within 3 words of inclusion. Now you can see that our pool of results has increased by about 380. If we change this to the within operator, we would expect the results to narrow again, and that's because it will only search for social inclusion in the order that it is entered, so it will not find any sentence that has inclusion and then 3 words and social. It will only search social 3 words inclusion. So you can see that we still have more results than we had for the first search, but not as many as for the second search, and that's because it's searching in that exact order. If we changed the near operator or the within operator to and, this of course tells the database to search the words social and inclusion within the title and social and inclusion within the abstract. So these can appear in the title or the abstract, but not necessarily in any particular order and not necessarily close to each other. So the results are likely to be less specific on your topic than if we used one of the previous three options. So our pool of results has increased to over 8,000. So we can see that by using this method we will create a wider pool of results. If we use the inverted commas method, the keyword searching, we are going to get a much smaller pool of results. And proximity searching can allow us to broaden the results slightly, but not so much that we end up with many irrelevant results. A rule that was always given to me was that if 50% of your results are on topic, you're in the right ballpark area. If you've got more than 50% of your results are not relevant to the topic you're searching for, you can then try to use some of these techniques to improve the results that you receive.